Outdated graphics drivers quietly cause stutters, crashes, and lower FPS on Windows 11, and most people never think to check. Here's how to do it properly. First, check what you are currently running. Open Task Manager, click the Performance tab and select GPU on the left. It shows your exact model right there. The basic update method: open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver, then search automatically. For a more complete update, install your manufacturer's own app instead: NVIDIA app for NVIDIA cards, AMD Software Adrenaline for AMD, or Intel Driver and Support Assistant for Intel graphics. Open the app, check for updates, and install the latest driver. These apps often include extra performance and game-specific optimizations that Device Manager alone doesn't give you. Do this check once a month or so for the best results. Subscribe to Tactim for more Windows 11 performance tips.